Hello guys, my name is William Andres Cabrera Castro. In this case, I will talk about the Menehune of Hawaiian methodology. This short video is for English number 6. So the story that I like the most was the Mehune from Hawaiian methodology because it seems to me that they are a harmless race in addition to the elevation that they had in that case. So I don't think that they were a threat to the Hawaiian culture. By the way, they are not as a dangerous as for example the kraken or the other animal that we have in the ocean. The kappa, the mythical Japanese creature that devour many boys with his body. This being seems harmless, and it is seems that they leave an enormous legacy, and many old constructions, dams, ponds, paths, and even temples are no attribute to them. All of them in theory, but also furthermore, everything they made and built um, is of enormous quality, and they were specialists in each trade. And this is all for me. This is the short presentation that we have in this case for the point number 3 of the learning guide of English number 6. Thank you.